once you actually input those phrase you are seeing right there, it's going to open directly to this trust wallet, and you're going to be getting this particular amount of balance into the wallet right here. So this is actually the balance, as you can see. This is the USDT TRC20. I have this particular balance right there. I know what is going to be coming to your mind is, oh fine, how can I actually withdraw this and every other stuff. So in this particular video, I'm going to be giving you the update right now, and make sure you actually stay up to the end of this particular video for you not to miss an important message right there. So before we move further, let me show you this currently. And this is the channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a new member, I actually make reviews about how to make money online, and also reviews about cryptocurrency, coins, and every other stuff. So updates, daily updates. So if you want to get notified, you can go ahead to hit on the red subscription button you are seeing down below, and turn on the notification bell icon. Do not forget to give this video a thumb like also, and let's move straight into the video. So right, I'm going to be sending the phrase also for people that actually want to confirm and are having difficulties to actually going to register. And this is actually going to be at the description of this particular video, the link to my Telegram channel. This is where I actually drop update. This is just been opening, and this is where I drop updates on how to make money online, and basically update we have to make money online right there. So you can see, just join the Telegram channel and you are going to benefit from all this right there. Link is at the description to join, or you can actually search directly. Just search in hipyoungplug directly right there. So let's go back to the main purpose of this particular video. So right now, once you actually log in into this platform, you are going to be getting this amount, and we all know for you to withdraw on the USDT from Trust Wallet, you're actually going to be having Tron, because this is TRC20. As I said earlier, this is actually TRC20. So for you to withdraw from this, you need a wallet, you need TRX right now. So this is where the game actually starts loading right now. So when you actually click on this, you can see currently on this balance we're having 1.01 USDT right there. So, and I'm going to go straight here. I'm going to come back here to come to this particular area to make a withdrawal. Then I'm going to click on paste. Okay, so I think I'm not having my wallet pasted there. Okay, let me try to copy it out where I want to send this to. So okay, you can see, so I'm going to click on send right now. Then I'm going to click on this. I'm going to paste this right, and I'm going to click on the amount I want to send. Okay, I'm sending maximum. Then I'm going to click on continue. So let's see the logic right now. Click on continue right here. So okay, you can see I'm having insufficient balance for me able to do this. So I'm going to reduce the amount I'm going to be withdrawing, so that I'm going to be getting some access right there. Okay, so I'm going to paste this again. Then I'm going to come right here. I'm going to input, let me input 100 of each, 100, so that the charges can actually reduce. So which I'm going to load, you can see. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Then I'm going to click on my confirm right now. So I'm going to wait for it to load and to load. So right here you can see it actually wrote validated signature error, SIG error right now. So this is actually the error is going to be writing for you to see. So I actually want to show you this so that you'll be sure and you are going to get this particular update right now. You can see this particular stuff actually increased again. You can see we have 2.18 USDT right now, and people are actually sending stuff. So let's wait a minute. You are going to see that this is actually going to escape from this right now immediately. It's actually going to be going away right here. Okay, let me try to take this out also from the Binance, from the TRX. I'm going to input the contract address again. Then I'm going to click on maximum TRX. I can actually withdraw all from TRX. So you are going to see something right now. I'm going to click on confirm also. Then I'm going to click on this. So it's actually loading right here. It's actually loading, so I'm waiting for it to actually get loaded, and let's see what is going to be happening. Still waiting, it's still loading right now. So you can see we have this particular error still saying the same thing. So this is how this is actually working. So this is currently a scam. So I just want to experiment it for before I tell you actually is a scam right now. I'm going to tell you the reason why. So you can see, we are trying to withdraw, then we could not withdraw, but this is actually out right now. You can see minus 33 TRX right immediately. This actually came in about 10:53 p.m. and this other one also came in about 10:56 p.m. and it actually went out about 10:47 p.m. So that was when they actually saw that. And let's go straight. This is just today already. This is when the new logic of scamming actually came out right now. Scamming, because when you actually come into this platform and you saw, oh, you can actually log in, fine, you saw the free phrase, which is not supposed to come out openly, like you are not supposed to share your face to anybody right there. So once you actually saw this and it's actually out, then you actually log in, you saw some balance there. You can see it's not even an airdrop, it was at USDT. Then you actually saw the amount you can actually withdraw, and all you need to do is just to input a little amount of TRX to join in. And the TRX actually inputting to withdraw this is actually very low. We're actually having about $1 worth of TRX. That's about like 20 TRX right there. That's about 20. You can see another person actually sent another one right now. You can see 20 at the time of making this particular video. Again, we have another someone actually sent again 20 TRX into this. You have 20 TRX that someone said. So you can see I'm actually watching right there. You can see. So let's check out the time. We have the level 10:50, 10:48. So before we actually load back now, this is actually going to be going back, but we are going to check in that right now. You can see I tried to withdraw it, but it's not coming through. So which means they actually published this on a Facebook group right there, and you're actually going to feel like, oh, it is $1. So let me just input. So let me tell you the amount this guy actually made from this particular day that he has started this particular update, which is today. So this is how it has actually made. The first person actually dropped 28 USDT, 28 TRX. That's about close to $2. Then he actually withdraw them. Another person actually dropped $1 USDT actually withdrawn. So the accumulation of this daily, you can see another $1 right here immediately actually withdrawn. We have another $20 right here, 1.30. So immediately it actually withdrawn also, and it keep withdrawing every second. So let's check back this area. Okay, it is easy actually yet to withdraw this. So it's yet to withdraw this. Let's actually try it and trying to withdraw from our side. You can see what I'm talking about. So then come right here, click on maximum, then click on withdraw. Okay, so then I can actually click on withdraw again, input the power, then load it up. So I'm going to be loading it up right there. So you can see we can actually not withdraw this because they are only the one that can actually withdraw. So right now this is actually done again. This is gone. 37, keep going directly. 37, keep going. 37, keep going. So another one actually dropping again immediately after when you withdraw that. We have another 1.8. So this is actually, this guy is actually going to be making TRX daily right now, just a little TRX, one TRX, and nobody is actually going to be noticing. And the more it's actually going to be getting this, the more it's actually going to be making money. So assuming it's actually getting one TRX, which is going to feel very small to me, very small to you, you want to actually try it out. So the accumulation of this right now, if I should add the money this guy has actually made today, close to about $10 right there. And because this update just actually came out today, so by the time it actually lasts for 1 week, is going to be making dope money right here. So this update is actually for you all as my subscriber, for you not to fall victim of this particular update right here. Do not fall victim at all. Do not fall victim at all of this. So I actually did it for you to actually know this is actually real, and I'm actually talking about something that is going on in the crypto world right now. This is actually a big time scam, and this is a big time scam. So all you need to do is to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon, so that you're going to be getting more updates on whatever things that is happening in the world of cryptocurrency right there. So, and I'll be dropping right here. And thanks so much for watching this particular video. But I actually wanted to wait for him to withdraw this again. You can see he actually withdraw this also again. We're having the balance right here. This is 10:51, and this is actually out again 10:52, just a minute. And this is automatic withdraw directly. So if you're actually trying to log in, then if you actually log into this platform, yeah, you are going to see it right just like this. Just find your to TRX, just locate it, and once you locate it, you're going to be seeing that on this. Do not try to deposit TRX into this platform, because if you deposit, you are going to get withdraw. You can't withdraw it on your own, and it's going to withdraw directly from their site, and it's automatically from their site. So that is basically what you need to know about this platform right now. So thanks so much for watching. I love you all guys, and see you in the next video. Remember to invest wisely. Peace out.